guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the March Boxycharm. There were actually some really cool products inside of this box. So if you guys haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. The first product we're going to start off with is by Manna Kadar Beauty. It's tweezers, a set of 2 tweezers. Let's see, it retails for $18 and it says it's time to say pluck it. Clever. To bad brows. Comes with a slanted tweezer for precise plucking and 1 pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. So I didn't touch my brows quite yet this morning. I do my brows every single morning, so I'm going to test these out and see how well they work. I'm pretty picky about tweezers, so yeah, these actually are working pretty well. They are still very sharp and new, so that could be why, but they're working really well. And I kind of needed some new tweezers anyways because mine are getting more dull. My Tweezerman ones are getting duller the more I use them, which usually happens. I usually have to get new tweezers about like every, I don't know, 3-4 months. Let me try out the pointed ones. I don't usually like pointed tweezers. I don't know. I'm not really one for singling out hairs. This one, well, actually, it did grab one of my random stray hairs, but it's not very sharp. So the pointed ones might not be my favorite, but you know what you can use these for? You can use these for applying lashes. Like if you need a tweezer to just put on your lashes, you could definitely use these for sure. So that was kind of cool. I don't usually always get like a tool in my box, so I kind of like that they threw in some tweezers. I thought that was a cute idea. Okay, the next product that I'm actually really excited for is by the brand Earth Harbor. This is the superfood luminance ampoule, sea greens, and cannabis sativa hemp. So I use a sativa hemp oil on my face like every single day. It's by First Day Beauty. It's my holy grail. I bought so many bottles of it. In my skincare video, I use that every single day. So I put it on my face this morning, but it's already probably melted into my skin. Okay, basically it says it will energize and soothe skin while revealing dewy luminance, and this retails for $32. I already took a peek at this product because I was very excited, and I love when they send skincare. So it's very cute. The bottle is so adorable. I love how, I don't know, I love how clean this looks, and it's green, so definitely, you know, it's has cannabis and sea greens in it. So I think this is a really cute product. I think I have tried stuff by Earth Harbor, but I can't really remember, but I bet you that they're a very clean brand. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but this seems really, really nice. So I'm gonna test this out. I put my hair in a ponytail so I don't get my face all greasy, but I love oils. Oils are like one of my favorite things to put on my face. They work really well for my skin. I have very dry skin, so oils seem to work extremely well for me. If you have oily skin, you may not like this product. It smells delicious, and it smells very earthy. Smells very good. And I can definitely tell that it's making my skin extremely dewy, which I love personally. I know some people don't love a dewy face look, but I definitely do. So this product is really nice. I can't really tell you how well it wears on my skin right now, but from what I can tell, I love this product. Honestly, like I said, oils work very well for my skin, so I'll definitely be using this in my skincare for sure. I really like it. So while I'm letting this soak in my skin, I actually realized I have like another product that would go on before I do foundation. This is by Dragun Beauty. This is the color corrector, I think in the shade, yeah, in the shade lavender. Well, basically, it's a color corrector to help conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Vitamin E and vitamin A. It blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage. And this retails for $25. So I've seen some people use this on their makeup channels. I've seen James Charles use it. I don't really use color correctors all that much. I don't really like layering a bunch of product on my skin because I feel like then it looks cakey. But I thought it was a cool product since I don't really have anything like this. So I think I'll apply it, you know, maybe on some blemishes under my eyes, and we'll kind of see where this takes us. I luckily enough don't really have too bad of dark circles, but I mean, there are some, so maybe it could help. You could probably blend this in with your fingers even, or you can use your sponge. I'm just gonna blend it in really quick with my fingers to see how that works. That seemed to work pretty well. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I don't really use a lot of color correctors, and sometimes people don't exactly know how to use them. I feel like that did a pretty nice job of just covering up some dark circles. So yeah, I mean, on the topic of color correcting, purple definitely helps neutralize a lot of tones. So I definitely know that from doing hair. So this seemed to actually really color correct. You could obviously keep layering this up. If you had really bad dark circles, you could keep on applying that and, I don't know, get a fuller coverage look. But for just what I like, I think this works actually pretty well. Okay, now that I got my face makeup on, I am going to use the Natasha Denona 5-pan palette. So I actually have gotten these in my Boxycharm before, actually just one other time. I actually have it next to me. It's this one. I use it quite a lot, as you guys can tell. This one was gorgeous. I don't remember what Boxycharm I got this in. It was a couple months ago, but I was so excited when I saw this on the Boxycharm Instagram. Look at these colors. They're gorgeous. Very cool toned. Browns and some grays, and I actually really love a palette like this because I have a lot of warm tone browns, so this is kind of nice. You can definitely make like a smoky natural look or whatever you kind of want. But let's see, this product retails for $48, so I always look at them on Sephora and they are always very expensive. So for being 25 bucks for this box, just getting one eyeshadow palette makes up for the whole box. I mean, you don't know what you're necessarily going to get, but I mean, if you do get it, that is a very good deal. This is a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades with muted browns and a touch of sparkling metallic green. Interesting that this is made just for Boxycharm, so that's kind of exciting. Sometimes the two brands do collab, so I don't know, that's a really cool idea. So you wouldn't be able to get this on Sephora. Maybe you would be able to, or maybe on the Natasha Denona website. But if it's made exclusively for Boxycharm, I don't know how accessible that is for everyone else. You can make plenty of looks with this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna test this out and show you guys. I'm just going to point to the shadows and speed through this part. But I already primed my eyes with some eyeshadow primer. And yeah, let's see what kind of look we make. I already know that these shadows are amazing because her other palette that I got was so good. Like, I seriously use it all the time. If I'm just like in the mood for just putting colors on that I know will blend really fast and make a good eyeshadow look, I'll pick up her palette. All right, 10 out of 10. Love this palette. It is amazing. All the shadows blended out beautifully. I absolutely love this shade here. It definitely is like a greenish gray metallic shade. I think this is so awesome. The shade name of this palette is called Ayana. So like I said, I don't know if you can purchase this or if it's just absolutely for Boxycharm, but any of her Natasha Denona palettes are amazing, absolutely worth the money. If I didn't get them in my box, I would never know about them because I probably wouldn't pay $50 for this, but knowing what I know now about how good these shadows are, I probably would pay the $50 price point. And if I do see any of her palettes that I really like, I probably will buy them because I love the quality of them. I know when you break it down, that's like $10 a shade, but I don't know. I think her shades are really nice and they blend amazing. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and then we're gonna show the last product. Okay, so I popped on mascara and also lips because I do have a lip product to show you guys, but I just felt like wearing a brown lipstick with this look. This is the ColourPop Lippie Pencil BFF3 pencil. It's a very cool tone brown. I'm actually going to throw a lipstick on top of it. This did not come in my Boxycharm, but I have not made a video on it because it was just one product that I was able to get my hands on. But this is from the brand Jaclyn Cosmetics. I got the lightest shade in the shade called Nudie. It is a very, very nude shade. It definitely almost looks like concealer, but I wanted to just get a lipstick that was, I don't know, very light, and you can put it on top of any lip liner and it'll just kind of make your lips pop a little bit more. I didn't make a video on this, like I said, because I was only able to pick up this and none of her lip liners because everything sold out so fast on her website. But when I get the chance to pick up more of the shades of the lipsticks and the lip gloss, or not lip glosses, the lip liners, I will definitely film a video on that. But right now I was only able to get my hands on this one until she restocks it or until I see it at Ulta. But I'm just going to pop a little bit of this in the center of my lips. And then the very last product I've got for you guys is actually a lip gloss. But I guess this is just kind of a mini review on the Jaclyn lipsticks, which I already love. The lipstick that I've tried it already a couple times and I definitely love it. But you can see it looks definitely like concealer on my lips. I just like to put it in the middle and just kind of, you know, make an ombre lip. You know, just something like that, and it makes your lips look a hell of a lot more full when you put a lipstick in the middle, just in the center, and then your lips are lined like that. Well, I was very excited when I opened my box and I saw this. I mean, the packaging alone is, I mean, it is absolutely adorable. This is by the brand Illuminati. It's a liquid luxe lip gloss. Retails for $21. It says, dare to wear alone or on top of another gorgeous lip gloss. This luxurious lip gloss adds a beautiful shimmer and shine to your lips and elevates your look day and night. Oh my lord. So that is like, that is like a really shiny. I don't know if I expected all that pigment in like one swipe of a gloss, but yeah, it's very pigmented. Definitely a gold gloss. I kind of like it though. I mean, I don't usually wear stuff like this, but it's kind of fun, different. I'm obsessed with the packaging. I'm sure they have plenty more shades, but this is really cool. Like I said, I just love trying out all the brands that Boxycharm comes out with. It just really gives you a chance to try everything out. I just totaled everything up and all these products come out to be $144, so amazing deal. Like I said, especially since it's only $25 a month, great deal. I loved actually pretty much everything in the box. Absolutely loved the palette, as you guys know. I really liked the oil too. I think this is amazing. As I'm actually reading on the back here, like I know I said it was like a clean makeup brand just from the way the packaging looked and just like it's very earthy, but it does say it's plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no added gluten, no soy added, small batch made, and women owned. So really cool. I love this. Like I said, I pretty much loved everything. Only thing I probably wouldn't use like too much is the color corrector, but it actually worked really well for my skin, which I'm thoroughly surprised. So it gave me a chance to try that out. Lip gloss, really cool packaging and interesting shade. Wouldn't have usually tried something like that. And the tweezers, like I said, the one tweezer works really well. It's nice and sharp. So yeah, I honestly liked everything in the box here. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe.